Good morning, everyone. We have now concluded 4 whole weeks of classes in an 8-week course. This is the equivalent of half of the course or 2 months of the class in a regular semester. Hope you're having a good weekend. So here we go on to week 5. Here are some of the items for you to be aware of for this week. Please take a look below. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Yes, 2 new chapters or the equivalent of 2 more weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, or exams. You can also find reminders for when the assignments are due on the calendar of Blackboard. Here's a summary of what is coming up due this week. Cultural Geography News discussion number 3 is due on Friday, May 4th by 11:59 p.m. Cultural Geography Special Topic discussion number 3 is due Saturday, May 5th by 11:59 p.m. While most students have submitted map quiz number 2 that was due Friday night, about five of you have not done so. However, most troubling is that more than half of the class still has not submitted reflection number 2 that was due last night. I will be grading those between tonight and tomorrow. You can always submit those, but you will be marked late, which means some points may more likely be deducted. Make sure and submit exam number 2 that is due tonight. Some of you have already done so. Please remember to log in into the course at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course, and it tells me whether you are active in the class or not. Have a rest of the weekend, and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.